Hello friend, I'm Tech. I am teaching to you English sentences, short sentences, which your vocabulary is very strong. Now started English sentences. Hello guys, social media is one of the best way to express your world, as we know that Facebook is very Facebook is very of the best social media, one of the best social media platform. Many company are doing paid well at social media. Best way for more how to schedule Facebook page, post for free. We can give you techniques. We can give you techniques, skills to schedule for for paid post consultations. Charges are very reasonable. Technique: teach English for tuition for skills. Time shall take time, give you benefits. Now you can you can you can learn English very well. English language workshop, job techniques, resumes, express, meet everywhere, anywhere skills.